And please stand with the heel and toes together and interlock your fingers and move your arms up and give a nice stretch to your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, now bend feet apart and if you bend down and stretch your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again up. Once again, interlock your fingers and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Bend forward, stretch your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. Up. Now hug your knees, lift your knees up, alternate. 5, 4, 3. Maintain your balance, keep your core tight and stay there. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Change. Other side, hold the toe. Stretch your knee up, reach your chest, your bottom knee should be locked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, leg change, other side. Hold your knee, maintain your balance over here and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Change your knee to your chest and stretch your entire hamstring and your glutes muscles and maintain your balance. Keep your abdominal tight and balanced there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, or release. Now quick, now hold it up and stretch your front thigh, your heel to your hip. Keep your back straight, chest up, and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch. Leg change, other side. Hold your toe. Stretch your front thigh muscle. Keep your back straight and chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Side change. Once again, other side. Hold your toe. Up, balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, and release. One more last time. Switch. Hold your toe and stretch your front thigh, your heel to your head. कमर बिल्कुल सीधी, सामने की तरफ देखना है and balance बनाना है अपना. 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, and release. And then a quick warm up. Keep your feet apart, your toes pointing outwards. So 1, up, touch the ground. 2, and touch your other toe. 3, and continuously keep moving 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. 1, 2, 3. Last 3. 1, 2, 2 more to go. Come on, keep moving and keep stretching. It's an important part of the workout. Warm up is mandatory. It's a compulsory. ये जरूर करना है. एक बार और. And release. Up. Now shift your legs side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, feet apart. You have to bend forward like this and move the right arm up. And then head change. Switch. Now continue, keep moving. 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Up. Left to the gap and our hands on your waist and keep. Make a big 0 from your waist. Make a circle from your waist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side change. 10 times other side. 10, 9, 8. Keep rotating. Make a big 0 from your waist. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now feet slightly more apart. Now start bend your knees side to side and stretch your groin, inner groin muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7. Support your knees like this. Keep your back straight, face up, and bend your knees side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Up. Now make a big shoulder roll. Rotate your shoulders backward, downward, forward, and upward. Make a big shoulder girdle. Rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and side change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And today's last warm up is a dynamic warm up. You have to go down, touch your toe, up, and twist the spine to right side, down, up, and twist to left. Now continuously keep moving. 5 to your right side and 5 to your left side. Ready to start in 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last 2 more to go, 9, one more last, 10 and release. A quick 10-second recovery. I hope you hear the music clear. आप मुझे देख रहे हैं आराम से, कोई interruption वीडियो में नहीं हो रहा है. So if yes, so give me a thumbs up. And if you feel any kind of problem, so please comment below and let me know. Cool? You have 5 seconds to start the workout. 5. I hope you warm up now. हम 5 सेकंड में स्टार्ट करते हैं वर्कआउट. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let's begin the workout. So we need a chair for this. So this is going to be a chair workout. So उसके लिए हमें कुर्सी चाहिए और कुर्सी थोड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो तो बेटर होगा because I know you people are really strong. अगर आप मजबूत है तो आपकी कुर्सी भी मजबूत होनी चाहिए. Just joking, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. So you need a chair for this workout. So quick arrange the chair. You have 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So quick arrange the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you have 4 seconds left. Chair आपने arrange कर ली होगी. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, let's start the workout. The first circuit of the workout is you have to do 3 types of exercises. 3 तरह का वर्कआउट हम करेंगे and the first workout is basic workout is called squats. You have to give me a squat on the chair. Just have a look how to do that. So to stand like this, keep your feet apart according to your shoulder width, your toes facing forward and stand close to chair. Now from there you have to move your bums down. Don't sit down. Just touch your bum to the chair and rise up. So this is called normal squats. Okay. So you have to give me 10 squats in a go. We'll start the workout in 3 count. 3, 2, 1 and boom. Start. 10. Up. 9. So easy. Very simple. Just keep moving up and down. Just touch your bum to the chair and get up. 6. Last 5 more to go. 4, 3, 2, 1 and boom. Fantastic. Release. The second workout is now we have to do a push-up on the chair. We have 2 options. हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन है. हम या तो बॉडी पैरेलल टू द ग्राउंड करके पुशअप लगा सकते हैं चेयर पे like this, okay? और if you feel कि आप ऐसे पुशअप नहीं लगा पा रहे हो, so you can drop your knees on the ground and then give me 10 push-ups. So option is your. मैं तो ऊपर करके लगाने वाला हूँ. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप नहीं लगा पाएंगे, so drop your knees and give me 10 push-ups over there. Ready? We'll start in 3 counts. Only 10 push-ups. Face forward. 3, 2, 1 and give me 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Feel your chest. 4. Drop your knees. 3. If you want. 2, 1 and done. Very good. Fantastic. A quick 5-second recovery. We are moving toward third workout. तीसरा workout है plank. You have to give me just a normal plank on the chair on your elbows. So basically you have to come on your elbows like this, move your legs back and keep your body up, core tight and stay there. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your core tight and check your posture. Your body should be parallel to the ground. 11, 12. Your body weight should be on your forearms. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and boom. Done. So our first round is over. हमें ऐसे करके 2 राउंड और करने हैं. So we have to do 3 rounds with the same circuit, with the same workout. You have a quick 5-second recovery and get ready for round 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and get back. Rest is over. Now again give me 10 squats first with me. Stand close to chair, keep your feet apart, toes बिल्कुल सामने की तरफ and start. Boom. 1, 2. Your knees should be soft on the top. 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Keep moving. 6. Don't stop. 7. Very good. Up. 8. Down. Last 2 more to go. 9. Just one more. 1 and release. Fantastic. So what is our second workout? Push-ups. You are right. You are absolutely right. Now we are going to do push-ups. 10 push-ups on your toes and on your knees. Option is yours. We'll start in 3 count. 3, 2, 1 and start. 10, 9. Feel your chest. Squeeze the chest while you're coming up and loosen the chest while you go down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. The third workout. What is the third workout? Any guesses? I know you know very well. The third workout is plank position on the chair. Let's start in 3 count. 3, 2, 1 and go. Hold in plank position for 20 seconds. Keep your face down. Lift your waist up. Core tight. Tight करें आपको बिल्कुल. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Maximum tighten your abdominal muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and boom. Fantastic. Successfully second round done. Now we are entering our in third round. Ek aur round, the same workout. 10 squats, 10 push-ups and 20-second hold in plank. This is your last round. Be with me. Stay strong and I know you can do this. हमने एक साथ start किया, एक साथ खत्म करेंगे. Now 5 seconds. So quick ready in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and one more round. Come on, stand with me. Toes facing forward, feet apart and start. Boom. 10. Perfect. Keep the core tight. Knees should be soft on the top, so don't lock your knees. 4, 5. Half more to go. 6. Perfect. I hope you enjoy. 7. Very good. Come on, team. Push harder. 8. Last 2 more to go. 9. One more last. 10 and boom. Second round. There is no recovery. Go back to your push-up position on your knees and on your toes. Option is yours. आपको जो इजी लगे आप वो कर सकते हैं. मैं टोस पे करने जा रहा हूँ, आप अपने नीज पे भी कर सकते हैं. रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3. Maximum close to bench and go up. 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8. Last 2. One more and boom. From here, just a quick move to plank position. Drop your elbows down over here and stay here for 20 seconds. Believe me, we can do this. 20. With me. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Hold here. Feel your abs. Crunch your core. Maximum tighten. Last more 10 seconds only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and done. Fantastic. So our first circuit, first round, first circuit is over. We successfully done 3 rounds. We almost do 30 squats, 30 push-ups and 60-second hold for your core. Very good. Absolutely fantastic. So get ready for the second circuit of the workout. You have 10 seconds. Then I will show you what you have to do. करना क्या है? मैं 10 सेकंड के बाद तब तक आपको पानी पीना है, पानी पी सकते हो, स्ट्रेच करना है, स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो. Open your arms like this, stretch your arms up, move your waist, do whatever and stretch yourself. And you have 10 seconds to get ready for circuit number 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I hope you're enjoying. मजा आ रहा है सबको करने में? अगर आप enjoy कर रहे हैं तो please give me a thumbs up, give me a heart, give me a kisses to whatever, but keep motivating me. मैं आपको motivate करता हूँ, आप मुझे motivate करो. Deal? Done. Fantastic. So let's start the second circuit of the workout. The thing is what? You have to keep your feet apart like this. अगर आप सामने से देखेंगे to keep your feet apart slightly more than a shoulder width and keep your toes pointing outwards. Right to right की तरफ, left to left की तरफ. And the thing is what? Simple. You have to give me 10 wide squats. Now move your arms forward. Your bum touch to the edge of the chair and up. That's it. Let's start in 3 counts. 3, 2, 1 and let's rock. 10 wide squats only. 9. Feel your inner thighs. Push your knees out and sit and up. Perfect. Last 6 more to go. Last 5 more to go. 4, 3. Come on team. Push yourself. 2. Ek aur 1. That's it. Fantastic. So lower body is over. The second workout. The first round, second workout is now we're going to train your tricep muscles. Look, those muscles. ऐसे वाले muscle बनाने हैं ना. So come on, let's do this workout. It's a very simple. It will give you immense strength in your triceps. You have to sit up on the chair on the edge. Now to place your palms like this. Option आप आगे से पकड़ सकते हैं, आप साइड से पकड़ सकते हैं. Okay. Then you have to get up off the chair. Your back should be maximum close. The lower back should be maximum close to the edge, but हवा में होनी चाहिए. Shoulders पीछे की तरफ, chest up. Now you have to do all the way go down from your tricep and then come up. And you have to maximum squeeze your tricep muscles जब आप ऊपर आएंगे. Okay. So अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये ऐसे नीचे जाएगा बॉडी और ऊपर की तरफ आना है. Ready? So let's start 10 repetition of tricep dips. Come on. 1, up. 2, keep your back straight and chest up. 3, only bend your elbows and up. 4, feel your triceps. 5, nice and strong, your feet on the ground. 6, last 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, and boom. Fantastic, successfully done. The third workout, circuit 2, round 1, and the third workout is what? You have to come in a plank position again. This is called a high plank, body parallel to the ground. Your ankles loosen and your toe exactly ankle के बिल्कुल नीचे toe होगा. आपका wrist, elbow, shoulder बिल्कुल कंधे के नीचे होगा. Now from here to tap the edge of the chair and down. Tap the edge of the chair and down. So 10 from right side and 10 from left side. Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and go. 1, 2, 3. Keep your core tight and don't move your body. Just move your arms up and down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on team, push. Very good. Keep moving. बहुत amazing कर रहे हो आप सब. करते रहो, उतना नहीं है. Last 7 more to go. Mine 7 left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. Oh, I hope you feel your tricep, you feel your shoulders. Okay. मुझे अपना ट्राइसेप और शोल्डर दोनों फील हो रहा है. फीलिंग पंप हो गए, ब्लड का रश बढ़ गया है. आई होप आपको भी बढ़ गया होगा, और नहीं बढ़ा है तो बढ़ा देंगे अगली बार. You have 5 seconds. Now we're going to start the second round of the same workout, the same circuit for second round. Come on, let's start it. The first workout, you know what it is. I know, पता है सब है तुम्हें. Come on, keep your feet apart and give me just 10 wide squats. Let's start in 3 counts. Keep your toes out, keep your back straight, chest up. 3, arms forward. 2, 1, and boom. 10, 9. You just chair को touch करना है, back ना नहीं है. बस chair को touch करना है, ऊपर आ जाना है. Come on, 6 more to go. 6. Last 5. Last 4. 3 more. 2 and 1 more. Done. Boom. Fantastic. Shake your legs. A quick 5-second recovery. Round 2, workout number 2. Sit down on the chair. Tricep dips. Remember, बताया था मैंने. Place your hands like this. Keep your back straight. Your knees should be at 90-degree angle. Your feet on the ground. बिल्कुल सीधा. Chair से उठ जाइए. अपना lower back bench के पास रखिए. कंधा पीछे, chest up, and go down deep as possible, and then boom up. Very good. Let's start 10 tricep dips. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more to go. Keep your back straight, chest up. 2 and 1. Fantastic. Round 2, third workout. You have to go to plank and tap the edge of the chair. Plank बना के chair का जो ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है, इसे हमें alternate hand से touch करना है. And you have to feel the shoulders, feel the core during the workout. That's our 3, 2, 1, boom. Plank. Keep your body parallel to the ground and tap. 1, face down. चेहरा नीचे की तरफ रखिए. ढीला बिल्कुल. And just without moving your body, you have to just tap the edge of the chair, top and down. 9, 10, 11, 12. And keep your core tight. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom. Fantastic. Round 2 over. Now we are entering into round 3. Okay? Stay strong. Stay with me. I know we can do this. We start together. We have to finish this workout together. अगर एक साथ शुरू करा है तो एक साथ खत्म भी करना हमें ही है. Okay? A quick recovery of 10 seconds. Grab some water and get back again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on team, rest is over. Quick. Let's see, देखते हैं, मैं पहले खत्म करता हूँ या आप पहले खत्म करते हैं, okay? So keep your feet apart, your toes pointing outwards, back straight, chest up, core tight, and give me 10 wide sumo squats. Come on. 10, 9, 8, perfect. 7, 6, 5, 4, last 3, 2 more, 1 more, and boom. Fantastic. Back to workout number 2, tricep dips. You have to sit up like this, hips up, off the bench, off the chair, and if you go down, 1, up. Come on team, push yourself. 3, perfect. 4, I know it hurts your tricep, but you have to do this. अगर tricep muscle बनानी तो करना पड़ेगा भाई, ये तो करना पड़ेगा बिल्कुल. Come on, give me 5 more. 5, 4, stay positive, stay highly energetic. 3, last 2, and 1 more. Oh, I can feel my tricep, I can feel my both tricep muscles. ये वाला भी अंदर वाला भी. You can see the pump. You can check the pump. Fantastic. Last workout. Tap the chair. Okay. So go back to plank position. Keep your body parallel to the ground. Keep your face down, and we'll start in 3, 2, 1. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. चलते रहो, रुकना नहीं है बिल्कुल नहीं रुकना है. अभी तो हमने शुरू ही करा है. थक कैसे सकते हैं हम? You can't tire. Come on. Just last 10. 9. Come on, speed up. 8, 7. Speed up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Fantastic. So our 3 rounds are over. So circuit number 2, 3 rounds and over. Now a quick recovery of 30 seconds. Okay? Fantastic. Oh. Very good. I hope you enjoy the workout. So these are the basic exercises which you can do at your home. आप आराम से अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं चाहिए, इसके लिए कोई बहुत सारा स्ट्रेंथ आपको नहीं चाहिए. आप ये छोटी-छोटी एक्सरसाइज करके ऐसा फन वर्कआउट करके अपने आप को फिट रख सकते हो. एंड दिस इज एंटरटेनिंग आल्सो. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आपको वेट उठाना पड़ रहा है, आपको बहुत एफर्ट लगाना पड़ रहा है. आपको एक चेयर चाहिए, एक मैट चाहिए, कितना स्पेस चाहिए, एंड यू कैन बूम विद योर फिटनेस. यू कैन डू वंडर्स विद योर फिटनेस. जरूरी नहीं कि आप बहुत हैवी वेट उठाएंगे तो ही आप अपने फिटनेस को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप तभी फिट होंगे जब आपको वेट उठाना पड़ेगा या आप जिम जाएंगे. नहीं, आप अपने घर पे भी रह के अपनी बॉडी का, अपनी फिटनेस का ख्याल रख सकते हैं. सी द वर्कआउट वी आर डूइंग, इट्स नथिंग. बहुत इजी वर्कआउट है. एंड बिलीव मी, इफ यू डू प्रॉपर, अब ये वर्कआउट अगर आप प्रॉपर मेरे साथ करोगे तो यू कैन फील द डिफरेंस. आप अपने मसल्स में पंप फील कर सकते हैं, आप स्वेट कर सकते हैं, आप इवन आपका कार्डियो थोड़ा बहुत इसमें काम करता है. So it's nothing like that कि जिम बंद है तो यार मैं वर्कआउट नहीं करूंगा. So don't make excuses. Stay with the workout जो मैं करा रहा हूँ. Try to follow this and let's enjoy. Now you have 10 seconds more. We are entering our in third circuit, which is similar to जो हमने करा इसी की जैसा. I hope you enjoy. See, enjoy करना भी बहुत जरूरी है. वर्कआउट अगर बोरिंग होगा तो obviously फिर कोई नहीं करेगा. I hope आप enjoy भी कर रहे हो. You enjoy the music, you enjoy the workout, and you enjoy my commentary also. जो मुझे आते नहीं बट फिर भी आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ. So get ready in 10 seconds. We're going to start our third circuit, which is very amazing circuit, and you can feel the sweat. You can feel your pump. You can feel हाँ कि आप workout कर रहे हैं. Okay? So give me just 10 seconds. I have give you 10 seconds. Just grab some water. पसीना साफ करिए और back to the workout again. 10, 9, 8, 7. Let me put some amazing workout music for you. ये वाला लगा देते हैं. ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है. चलिए. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now हमारे 2 राउंड हो गए. Now we are entering into third circuit and this will be slightly intense. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट बनाते हैं, थोड़ा सा लेवल इंक्रीज करते हैं. तब तक भी बच्चों वाला खेलते रहेंगे. Okay, now I think you, all of you become pro. Okay, so have a look. Circuit number 3, round number 1, and first exercise of the round. This is called step up. The thing you have to do what? You have to put your right leg up like this, okay? On the chair, your knee should be at 90-degree bend. Then lift your body up and down, okay? So no need to बार-बार पैर नीचे नहीं रखना, आपको पैर ऊपर रखना है. Just keep moving your body up and down. Go slow, take it easy. 10 times हम एक exercise एक leg पे करेंगे. And the most important thing is what? आप अपना सर, अगर आपके ऊपर फैन चल रहा है ऐसे, तो अपना सर फैन से बचाएंगे. प्लीज बी केयरफुल, बी अवेयर. अगर ऊपर आपके कुछ सर के ऊपर है तो अपना चेयर आप इधर उधर एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. रेडी? फैंटास्टिक. Let's start the workout. 3, and this workout will pump your quadricep muscles, affect your entire legs. We'll start in 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Right leg on the top of the chair and start. Boom. 1. Back. 2. Fantastic. 3. And feel your quadricep muscles. 4, 5. You have to land soft on your toe and jump up. 6, 7. Oh my God, I can feel my quads. I hope you too. 2 more to go. Just 1 more last. 10 and release. Fantastic. मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया. पता नहीं आपको क्या है, पर मुझे तो आ गया. चलिए, दूसरा पैर रखिए ऊपर चेयर पे, 90 डिग्री नी बैंड होना चाहिए. दूसरा पैर ग्राउंड पे. And 10 times step up from this leg. 10. Land soft on your toe. नीज पे झटका नहीं आना चाहिए. आराम से ऊपर जाइए, आराम से नीचे आइए. 3, 4. Chest up. Come on, team. 5. Half more to go. 6, 7, 8. Last 2 more to go. 9. 1 more last. 10 and done. Oh, fantastic. So now let's time to stretch your quads. So to bend forward like this, और ये लटों को करके घुटने को उठाइए ऊपर and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg change. Other side. Potato like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the second workout of this circuit is what? Now we're going to train your lower back. We're going to strengthen your lower back, and how to do that? You have to sit down like this on the chair. वापस से chair पे बैठना है ऐसे करके आराम से. Then you have to place your hands over here. As पे बिल्कुल हाथ रखना है. Then पैर आगे की तरफ. Okay? So the आपका back chair से थोड़ा आगे की तरफ आ जाएगा. Okay? You bend your knees at 90-degree angle. Then you have to do what? You have to drop your lower back down and then push your lower back up towards the ceiling. So the movement is lower back down towards the edge and then push your lower back up towards the ceiling and drop leg on the top. Now we're going to do the same workout, the same exercise for 10 repetitions. Are you ready? Good to go? Let's start. 1, down. 2, lift your body from your lower back. 3, hips down. 4, come on, keep moving. 5, feel your lower back is working. 6, last 4, 7, easy. 8, go slow, nice and strong. 9, 1 more last. 10 and release. Fantastic. A quick stretch for your lower back. Sit down on the edge, keep your feet apart, knee apart, bend forward and feel the stretch on your lower back. Oh, amazing. It feels amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. Twist your spine side to side. Release your lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now the third workout of the circuit is what? You have to again come in a high plank position like this. Keep your feet apart from rear. पीछे से पैर खोल के रखेंगे. आपके wrist, elbow, shoulder के बिल्कुल नीचे होनी चाहिए. Now from here you have to go. Touch your right toe from your left hand and like this, okay? So you have to touch your toe one by one from your opposite hand. This and forward. So 5 from the right side and 5 from the left side. Let's start the workout. 3, 2, 1. Come on. 1, plank. 2, plank. So this is called downward dog and come to plank. 4, 5, 6. Feel your abs muscles. 7, 8, 9, 10 and boom. Awesome. Fantastic. I hope you sweat now. पसीना सबको आ रहा होगा, heart rate भी सबका high हुआ होगा, and you can feel your body movements, you can feel your joints, you can feel your muscles, your shoulders, your abs. A quick 10-second recovery and we are entering our round 2. Have a 10-second rest. अगर पानी पीना है किसी को पानी पी सकते हो. Take it easy. Breathe. 5 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, get back. Let's start again. Then let's hit the chair again. With a what? What is the next workout? याद करो फटाफट से. Yep, you are right. That is called step up. पैर ऊपर रख के ऊपर चढ़ना है. Step up. So again, place your right leg on the chair on the top like this. Okay. Keep your back straight, core tight, and give me 10 repetitions from your right leg. And feel your quads muscle during the workout. Come on. 1, back. 2, 3, 4. I know you feel your legs, but this is the motto. यही तो करना है हमें. 5, 6, 4 और. Come on. Last 3. Only 2 more. Last one. And boom. Leg change. 10 times each leg. Okay. Now switch your leg. दूसरे पैर में 10 बार करना है. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and come on. Let's hit again. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, now important announcement. If you feel any kind of pain during any workout, any kind of pain in your lower back, in your spine, in your shoulder, so stop immediately. अगर आपको कहीं पे भी दर्द हो रहा है, so stop immediately, rest. And if you feel कि आप अगर कैरी ऑन नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो बीच में छोड़ दीजिए. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि रेस्ट के बाद आप दोबारा कर सकते हैं, तो join again the workout. Now we are moving to workout number 2, exercise number 2. This is called bridge with the help of the chair. Good for your lower back strengthening, even good for your hip strengthening and hamstring as well. Place your palms like this over here, off the bench. Now drag it down, don't bend your elbows, keep your elbows up and push your hips up from your lower back. Ready? We'll start in 3, 2, 1 and boom. 1. Continue, keep moving. 2. चलते रहिए, रुकना नहीं है. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Sit down on the chair, bend forward and stretch your back. It's really important to release your back. तो ब्रिज करने से जो बैक पे थोड़ा स्ट्रेन बनता है, उससे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको रिलीज भी करना है. तो रिलीज योर बैक. 5, 4, 3, 2, और then boom, side to side move. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. Okay, now third workout, come plank position on the chair. So your toes back, your feet should be apart from here. Your wrist, elbows should be under your shoulders. Now from here to the downward dog and touch your toe from your opposite hand and plank. Okay, so 5 from your right side and 5 from your left side. Let's start the workout. 3, 2, 1 and go. 1, 2, come to plank. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, don't stop. Keep going. 8, 9 and 10 and boom. Fantastic. Round 2 is over. Round 2 khatam ho gaya. Now we're going to do a third round. The same exercise, the same circuit for one more last time. And please, thakna nahi hai. Don't tire now. We just started. We have to finish together. I know we मन बोल रहा होगा, दिल बोल रहा होगा, छोड़ दे यार, थक गई है तू, थक गया है तू, but नहीं. This is the time when you have to rise and shine. उठकर अपने आप ही अपने आप को पुश करना है. कोई बाहर से पुश करने वाला नहीं आएगा. And I know if you are with me, if you stay with me, so we can do together and we can finish together. एक साथ करेंगे, एक साथ खत्म करेंगे. So बातों पर ध्यान कम लगाते हुए let's start the workout. Again, you have to place your one more last round. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, boys. Stay with me. Right leg on the top. Let's start in 3 counts. 3, 2, 1, and boom. 10 reps. No excuse. Stay hard and stay strong. Mind 7 left. 6, 5, 4. Perfect. Keep moving. 3. Last 2. One more And no recovery, no rest. Come on, switch. Leg change, other side as well, and lift up. 1. चलो चलो चलो, ऊंचाइयों को छुओ, बुलंदियों पे जाना है हमें. मंजिल बहुत दूर नहीं, पास है. Keep moving. 4, 5. Come on, speed up. 6, 7, 8. 2 more, last. 9. 1 more. 10. And we are done. Oh my God. मुझे मेरी पैरों में कप कपाहट फील हो रही है. आई होप आपको भी. अगर ऐसा आपको हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स योर मसल्स आर एक्टिव. काम चल रहा है वहां पे, इसका मतलब. कूल. कम ऑन, स्ट्रेच. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and switch. Leg change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna get back to the second workout. No recovery team. This is the final round, which you have to do this with me continuously, non-stop. Let's train your lower back. One more last time. Pitch forward, elbow straight, chest up, hip down and hip up. 1, 2, feel your lower abs. 3, feel your lower back. 4, 5. Come on, 6, push. Maximum high as possible. 7, 8, 9. One more last. 10 and boom. A quick recovery, 5 seconds. 5, 4, sit on the chair like this, keep your feet apart and stretch your back. 3, 2, 1 and switch side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Last round, last exercise left. Come to plank position like this, keep your core tight. Embrace your core maximum as possible, okay? ढीला नहीं छोड़ना, पेट को टाइट रखना है. 10 बार करना है सिर्फ. Come on girls, come on boys. Let's hit the workout in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and done. Congratulations, it's successfully done. Free circuit, lots of repetition, lots of exercises. Now today is one more last circuit left. Believe me, one more last circuit left. Don't tire, थकना नहीं है अभी. एक आखिरी and then we'll start. Wrap up the session. Oh, I can feel my lower abs, I can feel my quads. मुझे पेट भी feel हो रहा है. I can feel my shoulders also. Even tricep भी pump हो गया है. You can check. Pump देख रहे हो भाई का? हाँ, shoulder पे भी, tricep पे भी. I hope you feel the same. Jokes apart, get ready for last circuit. You have a 30-second recovery. Believe me, we can crack this. We can do this. Just stay with me, stay positive and stay motivated. 30 seconds you have. Grab some water and get back again. You have 10-second recovery left. Just 10 seconds. Now we have only 2 exercises left. Last round, 2 exercises, and only we have to do 2 rounds of this. Okay? So just have a look. Have a look. The sneak peek to the workout is what? You have to sit down on the chair like this. The knees up, knees down, and get up. Okay? So थोड़ा chair आगे कर लेता हूँ ताकि आपको देखने में problem ना हो. It's a really simple workout. So you have to sit down, use your bum to sit, then move your knees in up to your chest, sit down and up. So down, up, down and get up. Okay, you have to give me non-stop 15 repetition. 15 repetition of this workout and we are done. Ready, let's start the workout. Come on, stay with me, stay strong, stay motivated. Come on, हम कर सकते हैं. शुरू किया था साथ में तो खत्म भी साथ में करेंगे. Let's start in 3 count. 3, 2, 1 and go 15 reps. 1, up, a quick, 2, up, 3, up, your knees to your chest, 4, up, use your abdominal strength to move your knees up and down, 5, fantastic team, come on, believe me, start, keep moving, don't stop, रुकना नहीं है, थकना तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, अभिमन्यु के साथ कोई थक नहीं सकता है, चलो, चलते रहो, perfect, 10, 5 और 11, last 12, 3 more to go, 13, last 2, come on team, 14, come on, push, 15, and done. A quick recovery. Oh, I can feel my abs, even I can feel my bums too. A nice workout for your glutes, for your abdominal, okay? A quick recovery of 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now have a look what is next. The next workout is what? You need a mat. Now we're going to train your core muscles with the help of the chair, of side obliques muscle, the love handles, you know, okay? The belt line. You have to place your left elbow on the chair, okay? The left forearm on the chair. Your downward knee also on the ground. Now, this knee should be extended like this, okay? So, right leg बिल्कुल सीधा है, left ground पे है, left elbow आपका chair पे. Now you have to place your right hand over here like this, okay? Now from here to do what? You have to lift your waist up. 1 and down, 2 and down. So lift your knee maximum high, lift your waist up and contract your left obliques muscles only 10 times. Ready? Good to go? Let's start. 3, 2, 1, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, keep moving. 8. Don't hurt your knee. 9. One more last. 10. And switch. Side change. Now drop your right knee on the ground. Your right elbow and forearm resting on the chair. Left hand extended out. And your right, left hand on your waist. Starting 3, count 3, 2, 1, and boom. Come on up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your oblique muscles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Boom. Fantastic, fantastic. I hope you enjoy the workout. But abhi khatam nahi hua hai. Now we have to do the same round only for once again. The same both exercise for one more time. Okay. So you have a quick recovery of 5 seconds and then we'll start the same workout again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember the workout is what? You sit down on the chair, lift your knees up and get up. This is the workout. 15 repetitions. 3, 2, 1 and boom. Come on. 1, up. 2, chalte raho, ruko mat. Come on, keep pushing yourself. 4, 5. Lift your knees maximum highs up and speed up, team. Come on guys, speed up. 6, 7. Let's see. कौन पहले खत्म करता है? मैं या आप? 8. मेरे 8 हो गए. मेरे 9 हो गए. Come on. 10. Hit your core. 11. Rise up. 12. Last 3. 13. 2 more to go. 14. एक और 15. Oh, मैं थका रही हूँ. I'm not tired yet. क्योंकि जब तक मैं अपना सर्किट खत्म नहीं करूँगा, तब तक मैं थकूंगा नहीं. मैं रुकूंगा नहीं. Okay, so you have to do the same. जब तक आपका वर्कआउट खत्म ना हो, ना आप थकोगे, ना आप रुकोगे. Make a deal? Fantastic. Last workout of the day. This is the last workout of the day, team. Believe me, कर सकते हो यार. अभी तो मैं नहीं थका तो आप भी थक सकते हो. चलो, give it a shot. पैर सीधा करते हैं, दूसरा पैर जमीन पर रखते हैं, भारत माता की जय करते हैं, हाथ यहाँ पे रखते हैं और लो 10 रैप. 10. Come on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on team. 3, 2, 1 and release. Side change. Other side. दूसरी तरफ. Your right elbow down, your right knee on the ground. Extend your left leg and your hands on your waist like this. And 3, 2, 1, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and done. Oh, fantastic. So finally we are done. Congratulations to everybody. We are done with the workout. A great clapping for you. Applaud for you. Amazing. Amazing family. Amazing. So finally हम पूरा सर्किट पूरी एक्सरसाइज खत्म करके फाइनल तक पहुंच गए एंड आई होप आप सबको बहुत मजा आया होगा. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया वर्कआउट करने में बिकॉज इट्स अ फन. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट ट्रेनिंग, सिर्फ बॉडी को ट्रेन करना. इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फन ड्यूरिंग द वर्कआउट. आप कैसे अपने वर्कआउट को और मजेदार और मोर इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हैं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट. और आई होप कि मैंने अपनी बेस्ट नॉलेज से जो भी क्रिएट कर पाया वो प्रेजेंट करा. आई होप आपको पसंद आया, आपको समझ में आया हो. सो द वर्कआउट इज ओवर. गेट रेडी फॉर अ स्ट्रेच, गेट रेडी फॉर अ कूल डाउन. Okay, let's start the cool down. Please come on, get up. Come on, get up. This is the last 5 minutes. You have to spend only last 5 minutes and then we're done for the day. Okay, so please to place your hands like this on the chair. Forward. Now move your right leg and left leg both back and push your hips towards back. And drop in it on the towards the ground, I mean. And just loosen your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. So, from here to place your both hands at the top of the chair. थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाइए comfort के हिसाब से. Then place your hands on the edge of the chair upwards on the top and then again push your chest towards the ground and loosen your body. Just normal breathe. Loosen your shoulders, loosen your arms and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and slow release. Rise up. Okay, now from here we do what takes support. With the chair like this and you have to hold your toes. And आज मैं लोगों से इंटरेक्शन नहीं कर पाया, आपके कमेंट्स में पढ़ नहीं पाया बिकॉज मेरा मूड फोकस था कि मैं आपको एग्जीक्यूशन और परफेक्शन से एक्सरसाइज करके दिखाऊं. सो मैं बीच में कमेंट्स आपके पढ़ नहीं पाया. सॉरी फॉर दैट. आई होप आपको भी बुरा ना लगे इस बात का बिल्कुल कि मैं आपके कमेंट्स का जवाब नहीं दे पाया. बट लेटर ऑन आई विल गिव. आपकी कोई क्वारी होगी तो मैं उसे बाद में जवाब दूंगा. एंड दो अनाउंसमेंट्स, दो नहीं 3 अनाउंसमेंट्स में आपके लिए मेरे पास है आज. सो पहली अनाउंसमेंट ये है कि लास्ट टाइम जो कंपटीशन था हमारा उसमें हमें काफ़ी सारे आंसर्स मिले, काफ़ी सारे कमेंट्स हमारे पेज पे आए. किसी ने बोला मैंने पूछा था कि एक एथलीट को या हमें अपनी मसल ट्रेन करने के बाद मसल मेंटेनेंस के लिए कितना प्रोटीन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. काफ़ी सारे जवाब हमें मिले, काफ़ी सारे आंसर्स कमेंट्स में मिले बट कोई भी हमें करेक्ट नहीं मिला. किसी ने बोला कि 90 ग्राम चाहिए, किसी ने बोला 0.8 ग्राम, 0.10 ग्राम चाहिए, किसी ने बोला 0.12 ग्राम चाहिए, किसी ने बोला हमें सिर्फ 40 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए पूरे दिन में. सो कोई भी जवाब एक्यूरेट नहीं था. Move on like this and stretch back. And the right answer is, if you are an athlete, if you are an average athlete, I'm not talking about advanced athlete, if you are an average athlete or an intermediate athlete, so आपको अपने बॉडी वेट का, आपको अपने पर केजी का 1.2 ग्राम और मैक्सिमम 1.5 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए होता है. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू माय बेस्ट नॉलेज, अकॉर्डिंग टू अस बेस्ट नॉलेज. सो लास्ट टाइम का कोई भी विनर हम अनाउंस नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हमें सही जवाब नहीं मिला. मूव एल्बो अप एंड स्ट्रेच दिस. एंड आज का जो आपका क्वेश्चन, द सेकंड अनाउंसमेंट इज टुडेज क्वेश्चन. टुडेज जो आज का क्वेश्चन है, दैट क्वेश्चन इज, सो प्लीज बी रेडी विद योर पेन एंड अ पेपर और विद योर शार्प माइंड, जो भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं आज के क्वेश्चन के लिए. स्ट्रेच को बैक, स्ट्रेच करते करते आप अपना क्वेश्चन सुन लीजिए. चलिए स्ट्रेच बाद में करते, पहले क्वेश्चन में दे देता हूं आपको. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, टेल मी 3 exercises, any 3 exercises, okay, any 3 major exercises, not any 3, any 3 major exercises to train your lower body. Okay, so to train your lower body, please tell me 3 major exercises जिससे आप अपना लोअर बॉडी ट्रेन कर सकते हो. लोअर बॉडी मींस बोले तो आपका क्वाड्स, आपका हैमस्ट्रिंग और आपका ग्लूट्स, आपका ये लोअर बॉडी आप बेस्ट तरीके से ट्रेन कर सकते हो. टेल मी दोस 3 एक्सरसाइज. जो भी पहले कमेंट में परफेक्ट आंसर देगा, बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट आंसर देगा, और जो भी एक्यूरेट आंसर के आसपास होगा, हम रैंडमली इसमें से सिर्फ एक लोग को सिलेक्ट करेंगे और उस एक लोग को मिलेगा मेरी फिटनेस क्लासेस का फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर अ मंथ. ओके, तो फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर अ मंथ जो भी राइट आंसर देगा. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन एंड क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट का क्वेश्चन था दिस. Come on, let's stretch your back. Keep your feet apart like this. Your toes facing forward, and go down and stretch your lower back. And the third announcement is, if anyone of you, so basically this is the very general workout. It's a general fitness workout. But if you want to make yourself more fit, place your arms like this and slightly arch. if you want to make yourself more fit, more agile, और अपनी फिटनेस को आपको और नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाना, so you can join my online fitness classes as well. Okay, so you can, yes, I am taking the online fitness classes, I am taking the one-to-one personal training sessions as well, so you can join there me to increase your level of your fitness, increase the cardiovascularity, whatever, increase the endurance, even you can lose your weight. अगर आपको इनमें से कोई प्रॉब्लम है, if you want to strengthen that problem, so please join my online fitness classes. Contact me on my Facebook page, which is Abhimanyu Bhati. You can contact me there. Even you can contact Catch-Up Moms. आप उन्हें भी contact कर सकते हैं. I can share my number, my WhatsApp number, my calling number on the comment, so you can get touch with me from there to increase your fitness. So please, I am welcoming you, all of you, to join my fitness classes through online, and I will give you immense fitness. I will give you immense fitness, believe me. So interlock your fingers, now move your arms up and stretch your entire upper body. So please join me there. I will share my contact number in the comment box. And if you have any kind of query, so please contact me. Drop your query, drop your comments, drop your questions over there. So I will get back to you soon. We will get back to you soon. So thank you, Catch-Up Moms, for this amazing privilege, fitness class कराने का. और I hope मेरा आप रोज Monday to Monday का workout, आप सेशंस आप वर्कआउट एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. सो टेल अस व्हाट यू वांट इन नेक्स्ट सेशन. आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में क्या करना है, आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में कैसा वर्कआउट चाहिए, व्हाट यू वांट. सो विल प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली एंड गेट बैक टू यू. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे हैप्पी, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज स्टे पॉजिटिव. बाय बाय.